Some of my friends who do not any taka paisa in whole year, but when it's come about Eid shopping, their budget is 30,000 taka. They are budgeting 3,000 taka for Zangya in this Eid. This is so embarrassing for me because my Eid budget is 1,000 taka. So those who have Eid budget more than 5,000 taka, please block me. I do not need any Bill Gates Ambani friend in my friend list. Thank you.